Alright. I believe my camera is filming. It is. I had to look in the mirror, the reflection of my phone. Man, my fucking ouch, my legs. Oh man. My hip's killing me. You on, Nate? Yeah, come on. Hey, there he is. Yeah. Yep. Well. It's warm. It's a warm. Bike's loving this full tank of gas. Do you see the red light blinking on my camera? Should be up in this top corner. Rock on. Following you for the first time today. Maybe if you feel like you want to turn right, I would turn left. I think it'd be safer. You don't have to worry about being at an angle over that bump. An opportunity will come. I need to watch that. Field of Dreams, baby. It's like probably one of my top 30 movies. Damn, look at that guy, literally just pulled right out in front of him. Jeez. Obviously. Black woman at that. Looks pretty good on the right. Holy shit. All right. Well, like a 4-inch curb. Yeah, first video of Nathan today. First video ever of Nathan on his C14. Yep. So he's going to take us on down past the Cinema a little bit. Sorry, now I have the hiccups. It's horrible. Oh, that air feels good, doesn't it? I was sweating to death standing in there in that gas station. Ooh, didn't have to put my foot down. Very smooth. What style, what finesse. So Nate's been filming me all day. This is the first time I've been able to get my camera going. I didn't want to plug it in because of the rain. I have to plug the audio cable into the side of the camera, so don't want to take a chance of any moisture getting in there. This is the first official video using the new camera setup. This guy doesn't know where he's going, kind of like us. Well, we're going 20. We are going 20. I hope this cinema is a decent cinema. Did you see any pictures of what the outside of the building looks like?
Oh shit, dude, come on.
God damn, dude. I wonder why he's going so slow. Okay, I'm coming around. I think he's looking for a store or something. I hate it whenever they have parking like this right off the road. I'm so worried a little kid's gonna come running out. Wow, cool. Yeah, at least they're motorcycles.